Alright guys, so got this guy yesterday. Saw that I had a lot of mealy bugs, so decided to pick them up because I usually get rid of these guys pretty fast. I don't really usually wait on them. I don't really take the pictures before I take care of them. So here we go. I don't like to use any chemicals, but actually what I like to do is get a couple squirt bottles here. Second one for the water. And what I like to do is this one right here is actually about halfway filled up with water. So what I'm going to do is I don't use alcohol. All I use is dish soap, and actually the one I like to use is Dawn because it's pretty safe for animals, and so I figure pretty safe for plants. So I've been using it for a little bit, and it doesn't harm my plants, and actually works pretty well for me. So here I go. So like I said, it's about filled up halfway with water. So we're gonna go ahead and put some soap. I know it looks like a lot, but this is really what you want to do. Okay. So that being done, get this cap on here. See this guy. Shake it up a little bit. Alright, let me get this. Sorry about the camera movement. First video. And now what I do is I make sure that I put it on spritz, and this is what I do. So what I like to do is not use alcohol. I know a lot of people say use alcohol. I believe that that's what they use for the key ingredient to kill the bugs. But, you know, I do hear a lot of too much can definitely kill your plant. So what I like to do is pretty much just drown them. It gets very foamy, and they obviously can't breathe in it. So what I do is I'll be here for a couple more minutes, just making sure that, you know, it stays very sooty. And you know, don't give them a chance to breathe. And so within, you know, I'm saying about 4 or 5 minutes, I just like to kind of watch it and make sure that, you know, it stays foamed up. And after those 5 minutes, I like to just, you know, use my other squirt bottle. That's what this one's for. Some water. And then from there, I just use it on the stream to kind of blast off the dead bodies. So we're gonna let this soak for a little bit, and I'll hit it a couple more times for the next 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. Alright, well, we're back. It's been roughly about, you know, 4 minutes, just kind of making sure it stayed steady. So now all I gotta do now is let me grab my water bottle and just do a quick, pretty much just wash off. You know, the plant was very dry when I had got it. So a little bit of water would be okay. Also what I like to do is I won't water it again for another day or two, and then I will transplant it into a new pot. That also gives me a chance to make sure that if there was any mealy bugs that stayed and they went in the soil, you know, they'll get cleaned out pretty good. And as you can see, we got a lot of dead bodies just kind of just falling off. That's really what you want. You can go through now and just kind of use some tweezers and take them all off if you like. But they're pretty much dead. I don't like to overwater it, so I think I'll stop with the watering right here. Take off the last ones and see what it looks like tomorrow. Well, hope you guys enjoyed.